Welcome to our latest video, Huda versus
Fenty.
Today we're going to be comparing the two foundations, one from Huda Beauty and from Fenty Beauty. These both are really good foundations, but we're going to explore how they're different and why they're used for different skin types.
We will be discussing the pros and cons of both the foundation, as both are very popular, and I will be doing half and half face on Shivangi to see the results. We'll also be discussing the coverage, the availability, the price, and the staying
shades.
power, the shades, yes.
So first we'll discuss the price. Huda Beauty is priced at 3,300 around that, and it's available in India. And Fenty Beauty is actually cheaper than Huda Beauty, but because it's
The
not
taxes,
available in
yeah.
India, so you have to pay duty on that, and depends where you're ordering from. So it comes out to between 4,000 to 5,000, which is expensive because it's unavailable here. But if you can get it abroad, then it's cheaper than Huda Beauty.
So now we'll talk about the shades. Fenty has a larger variety of shades. It has approximately 50 shades. So you really don't have to mix and match to get the exact color of your skin. You can directly pick up the exact matching shade from the site or from the counter. Huda also has a great variety of shades. It has approximately 30 shades, which is also very good, but sometimes to get the exact shade, you may have to buy 2 shades to match to your skin tone.
Now we'll talk about the coverage of the foundations. I love personally Fenty Beauty's coverage because it's buildable. It goes from light medium to slightly heavy if you want it to be. Whereas for Huda Beauty, it's straight up heavy. It's complete filter on your face and gives this really photo finish look after all. And that's also super cool if you want thick coverage, and you can always blend it with some serum to make it lighter on your skin. Whereas for Fenty Beauty, it's buildable. One layer would probably not be enough.
So now I'm going to do the foundations on Shivangi, and you can see the coverage yourself. Okay, now you can see this side is Fenty and this side is Huda. The coverage of Fenty is smoother, it's more buildable, and it's perfect for younger skins and skins that have less pigmentation. But when it comes to Huda, it's a stronger coverage, and you can see that it gives a full fog filter kind of an effect. So it's very good for professional use, for bridals, and if you're doing pro makeups. So it's a very good coverage, but if you're doing just for shoots and you're doing for some if you need your foundation for for day makeups, then I would suggest Fenty. But if you want a full-on coverage and you have pigmentation and you have scars to cover, then Huda is a better option. So this was our review on foundations on Huda and Fenty. So hope it helps you choose what is the right kind of foundation for your skin type.
If you like this video, guys, then please like, subscribe and share, and you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.